So the cabin air filter on a 2017 Volkswagen Jetta is located in the passenger side, up under the glove box, in behind this foam piece here. You'll see there's a couple of screws, one here and one here. They take a flathead, so you just need to unscrew those first. So these are the screws that hold the foam in place. They're just plastic and lightweight, so just be gentle with them. But then once you've removed the screws, this whole foam piece just slides out of here. It's a little bit caught on the back there. There we go. And then your cabin filter is inside this housing right here, and it just slides to the side, and this black cover comes off, and then you can just take out the housing. And gosh, this is in quite rough shape. It's got quite a lot of pollen and stuff on it there, so you just gently pull down until the whole thing comes out. There. So now it's just a case of doing all those steps in reverse. So I've got the new air filter here, and it's just in the housing there. I'm just gonna push it up. You need to make sure that the corner with the side cut off is on the right hand side, and then you just push the whole filter up, and then take the cover, and these hooks go into the little holes on the top of the filter, and then it's there in place. Just slide the whole thing to the left to lock it, and that's it. The filter is back in. Then you just need to put the foam back and do the screws back up, and you're done.